Most traders believe that more monitors automatically make trading better. More charts, more data, more control. But what almost nobody realizes is that more monitors can actually slow your trading computer down. And when your computer slows down, execution slows down. That means hesitation when you click, delayed chart updates, and subtle little lag during volatility. The dangerous part is most traders blame their broker or the internet instead of their hardware. Now here's the core truth. Every monitor you connect becomes a real-time workload your computer must constantly maintain. Nothing on those screens is static because market data never stops updating. Charts refresh continuously, indicators recalculate constantly, price movement redraws across every display multiple times per second. Now multiply that across several monitors. 2 screens double the rendering demand. 4 monitors increases it dramatically, and large trading walls create permanent heavy output. Your system is working non-stop just to keep the visuals current. And this is where the video card becomes critical. Your GPU is responsible for rendering everything you see across every monitor simultaneously. It is literally drawing your trading environment in real time. And GPUs are not just about gaming power. They control display engines, video memory, refresh pipelines, and output bandwidth across multiple screens. Not to mention AI, but that's for another video. The more monitors you add, the harder the GPU has to work every single second. Your video card memory, also known as VRAM, stores the graphical data for all your active displays. Each chart window, each platform panel, each visual layer consumes memory space. And when the VRAM fills up, your performance drops and the rendering slows down. Then comes the display bandwidth. Every monitor requires a constant data stream from the GPU to the screen. More screens means more simultaneous data channels competing for throughput. Now here's where most traders misunderstand the system. The GPU renders all the visuals, but the CPU feeds it the market data, the chart calculations, and the platform logic. That means that both processors must work together continuously. And so when you add monitors, you increase GPU load and CPU workload. The system must process more data, render more visuals, and manage more memory flow all at the same time. This is sustained computational pressure, not temporary usage. And sustained pressure is what exposes weak hardware. Many systems can handle short bursts of activity. Trading creates continuous load for hours without stopping. And this is why performance often feels fine at first early in the day, and then during high volatility or long sessions, responsiveness starts slipping. This is your hardware reaching its real operating limits. You may notice mouse movement feels slightly heavier. Charts hesitate when price accelerates. Order entry feels just a fraction slower than it should. These are not dramatic failures. They're micro delays, micro stutters caused by resource saturation. And trading performance is extremely sensitive to micro delays. More monitors do not just add information, they permanently increase system workload, whether markets are busy or quiet. Your computer must maintain that expanded environment at all times. Multiple monitors are incredibly useful when the system is built for them. But when your hardware is undersized, more screens reduce performance instead of improving it. And that means more visibility, but less execution precision. And this is exactly why traders upgrade monitors and suddenly everything feels slightly worse. Nothing crashes, nothing breaks, but the system feels a little less responsive. Again, that's resource strain, not your imagination. And this is the point where guessing becomes dangerous. Brand names do not tell you performance capacity. Price does not tell you sustained processing ability. You need an objective measurement on how much computational headroom your system actually has. Because multi-monitor trading is fundamentally a performance engineering problem. And engineering problems require measurable data. So now is where you're going to test reality. Go ahead and test your processor by running our CPU benchmark test at the link in the description. See how much processing power your system truly has available. That number tells you whether your machine can actually support your screen environment. If your benchmark score is marginal for active trading, adding monitor is like adding weight to a car that's already struggling to go uphill. Eventually, your responsiveness drops exactly when market speed increases, and that's when traders feel execution hesitation. If you want to fully understand how CPUs, GPUs, memory, and monitors interact in a trading setup, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It explains exactly how to scale performance properly before buying or upgrading anything. It will save you from expensive hardware mistakes. And if you want to see what a fully optimized computer for trading looks like, check out this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.